Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a workspace in ClickUp. Now, when you're logged in, you come in the top left. So I'll click on this workspace I'm currently on right here, and we'll get a drop-down menu, right? All I need to do is come here and click on Create Workspace. So we click on that, and we will be redirected to this page where we have to choose what we're going to be using this workspace for. So this will be personal. Okay, you can choose this. And let's say you're just using it for personal use or sales and CRM. And you can invite people to your workspace as well. So let's go ahead and paste or just type in this email address. There you go. I'm going to add this email. Click on invite. And if you want to use one of these tools, you can go ahead and select that as well. I'll just come and click on next. If there's any features, go ahead and select that. I'll just come click on next. And what would you like to name your workspace? So let me just name it Pioneer Media. There we go. And I'll go ahead and click on finish. Okay, so they're creating our workspace for us right now. Just have to wait for a few seconds. And here we go. This is my workspace right here. If you want to switch workspaces, you just come here and click on this. Okay, and switch your workspaces. Really that easy and simple.